Are you tired of setting goals every year and never achieving them? Do you want to finally make progress towards your dreams? In this video, I'm going to share with you my proven strategies for achieving your goals this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about achieving your goals this year. We all have dreams and aspirations, but sometimes it can be challenging to make progress towards them. That's why I've compiled a list of strategies that have helped me achieve my goals, and I'm confident they can help you too. So, let's get started. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The first step to achieving your goals is to write them down. Writing them down makes them more concrete and gives you a clear vision of what you want to achieve. It's essential to be specific when writing down your goals. For example, instead of writing, "I want to lose weight," write, "I want to lose 10 pounds by the end of the year." This will help you track your progress and keep you motivated. Once you've written down your goals, the next step is to create a plan. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks that you can complete daily or weekly. This will make your goals less daunting and more achievable. For example, if your goal is to read 50 books this year, break it down into a goal of reading 4 books a month. This way, you'll be able to track your progress and make adjustments along the way. Accountability is critical when it comes to achieving your goals. Find someone who can hold you accountable, such as a friend, family member, or coach. Share your goals with them and ask them to check in on your progress regularly. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Celebrating your wins, no matter how small, is essential to maintaining motivation. Each time you accomplish a task or milestone, take time to celebrate it. It could be something as simple as treating yourself to your favorite meal or taking a day off to relax. Celebrating your wins will keep you motivated and help you stay on track. Finally, the most important tip is to keep going. Don't let setbacks or failures stop you from achieving your goals. Remember that progress is not always linear, and it's okay to make mistakes. The key is to keep moving forward and not give up on your dreams. So, there you have it, my top tips for achieving your goals this year. Remember to write down your goals, create a plan, hold yourself accountable, celebrate your wins, and keep going. With these strategies, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.